How the development of tax legislation affects the cryptocurrency market. Until my last knowledge update in January 2021, the development of tax legislation in the cryptocurrency market was constantly evolving in different parts of the world. It is worth noting that information may have changed since then, and it is always recommended to check reliable sources for the latest updates. Fiscal regulation of cryptocurrencies is a challenge for governments as digital currencies operate in a decentralized and often anonymous environment. However, countries have been looking for ways to approach the taxation of transactions involving cryptocurrencies to ensure tax compliance. Here are some important trends and considerations regarding the development of tax legislation in relation to cryptocurrencies. Legal classification. In many countries, the legal classification of cryptocurrencies varies, and they can be considered as commodities, assets, currencies, or properties. Classification has significant implications for taxation, as different categories may be subject to different tax regimes. Income tax. Taxation on capital gains from cryptocurrency transactions is an area of focus. Countries can tax gains in a similar way to traditional capital gains. In some places, cryptocurrency mining may also be subject to taxation as a commercial activity. Reporting obligations. Some countries have implemented or are considering implementing reporting obligations for transactions involving cryptocurrencies. This may include the need to report transactions above a certain amount to tax authorities. Compliance and enforcement. Governments have sought ways to improve tax compliance in the cryptocurrency space, often through implementing stricter regulations and enforcement practices. Cryptocurrency exchange platforms may also be subject to specific regulations. International cooperation. Given the global nature of cryptocurrencies, international cooperation has become crucial. Some countries are working together to develop consistent standards and approaches to taxing cryptocurrencies. Innovations in legislation. Some countries are developing specific legislation to address the unique challenges presented by cryptocurrencies, seeking to balance technological innovation with the need for regulation. It is important to note that laws and regulations can vary significantly from one country to another, and changes can occur quickly. Therefore, it is advisable to consult local sources and tax regulation experts for up-to-date information on the development of tax legislation in relation to cryptocurrencies in a specific jurisdiction. Thank you, guys.